moving on to sixths. So when we did fourths, we started by making halves and then folding that in half again. For sixths, you're going to actually start by making partitioning your fraction into thirds and then making those and then folding it again. So again, when we're making thirds, we kind of eyeball it and find some good spots to fold it on. So like this one is fairly close, but I'm gonna adjust, pushing this a little bit, and that's actually gonna turn out pretty well. So I'm gonna fold on those creases, or I'm gonna crease on those folds there. Now, right now what I have is thirds. So I need twice as many pieces because my whole is only divided into 3 pieces. So I want to divide this into 6 equal pieces. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to fold what I've already folded. I'm going to fold that in half. Okay. So I'm going to fold that in half. Now I should have 6 about equal pieces. So let me draw my lines on my creases. 2, 3, 4, and I should have 5 creases. Okay. So now I need to label them. So that's sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In order to draw, you can do it 2 ways. The way I usually do it is I start again by dividing my fraction in half. Okay. Now, when I was making thirds, I looked at this and I said, okay, go to the middle, go a little bit to the left, and then a little bit to the right of the middle. So I'm going to do that for each part here. Middle, a little bit left of it, and a little bit right of it. So it's not perfect, but it's pretty good. So 1/6, it doesn't have to be perfect, but if you've got one section that is huge, you're going to need to redraw or refold. Because then when we come to comparing fractions, it's not going to make sense because they're all going to be kind of skewed. So that is how you make partition a fraction into sixths or 6 equal pieces.